Are you tired of wearing glasses and dreaming of seeing the world clearly without them? Good news! With just 2 simple exercises, you can improve your eyesight naturally. Watch till the end to discover how to replace your glasses and regain crystal clear vision. In today's digital age, blurry vision, eye strain, and dependency on glasses are becoming alarmingly common. Whether it's hours on a smartphone, computer screens, or even poor lifestyle habits, our eyes take a heavy toll. But don't worry. These simple exercises can help you improve your eyesight and potentially ditch those glasses forever. Before we dive into the exercises, let's quickly understand how your eyes work. Your eye has a lens that focuses light onto the retina, creating clear images. Over time, the eye muscles can weaken, causing common problems like nearsightedness or farsightedness. Strengthening these muscles and relaxing your eyes can lead to significant improvements in your vision. Let's start with the first exercise, palming, a simple yet powerful technique to relax your eyes. Step 1. Sit in a comfortable position, either at a desk or on a chair. Step 2. Rub your hands together briskly until they feel warm. Step 3. Close your eyes and gently place your palms over them without applying pressure. Step 4. Imagine a dark, soothing space and take deep breaths. Hold this position for 2 to 5 minutes. Palming helps to relax your optic nerves, reduce eye strain, and improve blood circulation around your eyes. It's perfect for anyone spending long hours in front of screens. Quick tip: try doing palming 2 to 3 times a day for best results. The second exercise is called eye focusing, which strengthens the eye muscles and improves your ability to focus on objects at different distances. Step 1. Hold a pen or your thumb at arm's length in front of your face. Step 2. Focus on the pen for 10 seconds. Step 3. Shift your focus to an object about 10 to 15 feet away and hold for another 10 seconds. Step 4. Repeat this process for about 5 to 10 minutes daily. This exercise retrains your eyes to quickly adjust between near and far objects, which is crucial for overall eye health and clarity. Pair this exercise with deep breaths for maximum relaxation. While these 2 exercises are your main tools, here are some bonus tips to supercharge your results. 1. Follow a nutritious diet. Eat foods rich in vitamin A, C, and E, such as carrots, spinach, oranges, and almonds. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish and flax seeds are also excellent for eye health. 2. Take frequent breaks. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds to reduce strain. 3. Hydration matters. Stay hydrated to maintain healthy tear production and avoid dry eyes. 4. Outdoor activities. Spend time outdoors in natural light to reduce the risk of developing nearsightedness, especially for children. 5. Limit screen time. Minimize prolonged exposure to digital screens and use blue light filters whenever possible. Now, let's address the big question. Can you really replace your glasses? The truth is, these exercises, combined with healthy habits, can significantly improve your vision over time. While not everyone may achieve 20/20 vision, many people experience reduced dependency on glasses and better eye health.